Hangzhou Hopefan Biotechnology Co, Limited, focuses on the field of tissue engineering materials. Utilizing ultra-high hydrostatic pressure decellularization technology, it removes genetic material from biologically derived tissues to obtain extracellular scaffolds similar in structure to human tissues. These scaffolds can be widely applied in wound repair, disease treatment, medical aesthetics, anti-aging, and other fields. The company's goal is to build a new generation biomaterial platform widely applicable to human health endeavors. Currently, it operates three main business segments: self-developed products, ECM raw materials, and processing services. What is ECM? The extracellular matrix, ECM, is a non-cellular three-dimensional network distributed throughout all tissues and organs. It is not a passive scaffold. ECM is a dynamic bioactive foundation through which cells sense their environment, receive instructions, and coordinate behavior. The quality of tissue regeneration is fundamentally determined by the integrity of the ECM microenvironment. Why ECM? In regenerative medicine, the material itself is the signal. ECM, extracellular matrix, is the only material system in biology capable of simultaneously providing structural support, bioactive signaling molecules, and tissue-specific microenvironmental context. These three functions in concert are the necessary conditions for true tissue regeneration, not merely wound closure. Hopefan Biotech's mission is to supply this natural regenerative foundation with reliable consistency and scale to global partners. From basic research to clinical translation, from raw material to finished product. There are three pillars of true regeneration. ECM's advantage is not a single component. It is a synergistic integration of structure, signals, and microenvironment that synthetic materials fundamentally cannot replicate. We have multi-source ECM library. 5 tissue sources: dermis, adipose, SIS, amnion, bone, times 5 physical formats. Configurable regenerative building blocks adaptable to diverse application development needs. The cross-domain application breadth, including wound care, reconstructive surgery, ophthalmology, orthopedics, 3D cell culture and organoids, veterinary medicine. Platform capabilities spanning multiple professional application fields. We can do end-to-end partnership raw material supply, custom processing, co-development, OEM/ODM. Fully covering the complete product lifecycle needs for partners. We can do quality-driven scalability. We have GMP manufacturing facility plus batch COA documentation plus ISO reference QMS, supporting partner regulatory submissions, market access, and product traceability requirements. For bioactive component retention, HHP, Hopefan Biotech, can do 91% bioactive component retention versus chemical SDS. Regarding to the patents and core technology, we have device patent, method patent, and technology patent. For the technical validation, the test results confirm DNA residue only 1.33 Ing/mg, which is far below the industry safety threshold, less than 50 Ing/mg, demonstrating consistent and thorough decellularization across batches. This is a technology development journey since 1998. Thanks for watching.